In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a relationship in ClickUp. If you've ever linked two items in ClickUp and later realized that connection is no longer needed, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to cleanly unlink them without deleting the actual tasks or docs. Start by opening your ClickUp account and heading into your workspace. Navigate to the specific task that currently has a relationship you want to remove and click it to open the full task view. Give the task a moment to load so all of its details and menus are available. Inside the task, look toward the top right area of the task window for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis menu. Click those three dots to open the additional options menu. This menu houses several task level controls that aren't displayed by default, including the option we need for relationships. From that menu, click Relationship. In some workspaces, this may appear as relationships or linked items, but it serves the same purpose. It shows you the items this task is connected to. You'll see a list of linked tasks, docs, or other entities that have been associated with your current task. Find the specific relationship you want to remove. Click on that relationship to bring up its item level options. Next, look for the three dots next to that individual linked item. Click those three dots and then choose Delete or Remove. The exact label may vary slightly by workspace configuration, but it will clearly indicate that you're removing the relationship. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm the action. This will delete the relationship only. It does not delete the task, doc, or resource on either side of the link. Take a moment to verify that the relationship is no longer listed. If you have multiple relationships you want to clean up, repeat the same process for each linked item. Open the relationship list, select the specific link, click its three dots, and choose Delete or Remove. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're removing the correct relationship, especially if several links look similar. If you don't see the option to delete, you may need the right permission level in your workspace, so check with your admin or owner. And remember, removing a relationship simply unlinks items to keep your workspace organized. It doesn't erase any data from the original task or document. That's it. By opening the task, using the three-dot menu, visiting relationship, selecting the link, and deleting it from its own three-dot menu, you can keep your ClickUp tasks tidy and focused on what matters.